Hi, I'm Susan. Today I've had these watercolor pencils probably for 20 years and I've not even opened them because I've been afraid of them. Don't know why. It's silly. So I'm going to give it a shot today, and I'm going to do a little bit of just random scribbling and stuff to get a color background to do a doodle over later. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I've got my background down. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. I would appreciate any tips that you could give me. Like I said, I've had these, and it's just, I would love to get some good watercolors and just play, and that's what I'm doing here, is playing. But I'm hoping I can use this background to doodle something, so I'm going to let it dry and I'll be back. Alright, now it's dry, and so now I'm just going to see what I can get. Well, here it is. I finished. I'm definitely not an artist, but this was so much fun. It's been so long since I've just let myself just play with doing the doodles and the just piddling and just having fun. I did the doodle challenge last week, and it really reminded me how much I used to love to just draw. And I let criticism stop me, and I shouldn't. Nothing like taking an art class in college to realize that how tough your skin is, and mine isn't very tough. But it's fun, and I'm old enough now to know that it's not about creating great art per se, but to enjoy yourself and just let it flow through you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.